there go my cameras. Get the hell out of here because it's way too loud, this thing. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this lovely evening at the Autobahn in Germany, and welcome to this POV review by Autobahn. My name is Martin, and today I am taking a look at Stefan, his Audi RS5 B8.5. So that's the facelift version. So Max has already done a review with an Audi RS5 B8 like half a year ago. Go check it out in the top right corner. But we were left a bit unfulfilled because back then we didn't have the space to do these massive long runs with this naturally aspirated V8. So I'm hoping to do that tonight. We should have the space. We should have no speed limiter. So those are the ingredients for a fantastic evening Autobahn run, right? Let's go. Let's do a quick lap around the car. So this is a Misano red exterior, which I really appreciate because I feel like every Audi RS5 is either black or gray. Then we have these bespoke painted brake calipers, steel brakes, carbon ceramics were optional. And then we have these 20-inch wheels with Pirelli P0, 275 section front tire, that's really wide. And then at the rear we also have a 275 20, so it's a squared setup. And don't forget to follow the owner, Stefan. Really nice guy, true petrolhead. This is like his little baby, as he calls it, and well, I totally get that. So we have this spoiler that comes out at like 120 kilometers an hour, really cool. And then let's get to the party piece of this car. This is the reason why we all love it. It's the engine, because it's super special. Here we have the 4.2 liter V8 linked to a 7-speed dual clutch gearbox, 450 horsepower, 430 newton meters of torque. Top speed is 250 officially, but if you get the dynamic plus whatever package, it's officially raised to 280. But I just did a run on the Autobahn and I felt no limiter anywhere, so that's good news, guys. So let's go and try it out. And then this interior, Audi exclusive, so it's a two-tone leather interior with the carbon fiber. These amazing bucket seats, they're really supportive and snug and comfortable, really good. Beautiful, all the switchgear in this sort of chrome, sort of matte chrome, really nice. They all have a nice click to them. Oh, those were the days. Well, those were the days. Listen to this. Oh my god, that is just incredible. Now Stefan has also changed his seat belts to these red ones. Quite a nice mod, I think. So this is comfort mode, but if we go to car and then select dynamic, we can hear the valve opening in the exhaust. Oh, and then you have this V8 bark that's just sort of ridiculous, but just so nice. This is the stock exhaust, if you will believe it, just with a resonator delete. Oh! Oh! That is amazing. Now this V8 is so special, and this is coming from an E92 M3 owner, but this has everything, this engine. It's bassy, it's barky down low, it's growling, it's howling at the top end. Just magnificent. The DSG is really responsive, so the moment you touch the pedal it upshifts. Downshift is also really quick, and with that lovely rev matching sound. Oh. That is the thing with this car. It's the experience, it's the sound. It's not about like driving dynamics or actual performance, because with its 450 horsepower, it's not even that fast. I mean, 4.5 seconds claimed by Audi 0 to 100. It's actually a little faster, this one. I think it's because Stefan has done some incredible maintenance and you can really feel it. It's not a very communicative car. I mean, you're sort of a passenger. It really doesn't tell me anything through the steering wheel or through the seat. Nothing. Let's do some sound clips and then get the hell out of here, because it's way too loud, this thing. But this is actually a 4.3. So now, as an E92 M3 owner, I think this sounds better. I think the interior quality is not even comparable. This is way better than the E92. You do feel that the E92 is lighter. This is a bit of a slouch in its dynamics comparing it to the E92. And in that respect, it was always sort of the all-rounder of what was available that day. The RS5, the M3, the C63 AMG, and the Lexus ISF. This was really in the middle. But I think this has the nicest sound. Normally, oh, there go my cameras. Normally people lean towards the C63, but this really has it for me. But this is what we're here for today. We have this long-legged V8 4.2 liter. And it just wants to go fast, so let's do so. 100 to 200, little over 10 seconds, so that's not even that fast, right? It's actually a bit slow, to be honest, for 450 horsepower. So we don't have the carbon ceramic, so we really have to watch our speed, and shouldn't be doing too heavy braking. Still pulling. That's always the strong point of a naturally aspirated engine. It just keeps going. an experience this car is. Really fantastic. This is such an amazing GT. I mean, it's a 4-seater. You can really fit 4 people in this car. Or if you want even more practicality, go for the RS4 Avant. But this generation of RS4, RS5 is incredible. I also do really appreciate with what they did with the B9, so the successor to this, with the 2.9 V6 bi-turbo, which I know a lot of you guys think is a lot less than this, but you know, the main thing that you guys are interested in or influenced by is the sound of the car. That's such a major factor, but if you drive them, you also really appreciate the handling, the feeling, and that's something you don't really transfer with video to the viewers. So in that respect, I think the newer one is really a lot better than this, because dynamically speaking, this isn't really all that interesting, but you know, the sheer experience, the drivetrain, the sound is just fantastic in this. So guys, thank you for watching this second video with the RS5 B8.5. Thank you, Stefan, for letting me drive it, and to you guys, see you at the next video. Bye.